Hey guys, it's Kelly. Hey, I got some fun cards I wanted to share with you. Go ahead and stay till the end so you can see some of those other cards. But this is the one I'm going to show you how I made. This is with the September 2022 Simon Says card kit. It was a lot of fun. Did some coloring with some of the stamps that I did and quickly put together a really super easy slimline card. Slimline cards, it's a mini slimline card. So it's 3x6 is the card base. And I like to have that 1/8 of an inch border around my card front, but you don't have to do that. Totally up to you. You just cut your paper, designer paper. You know it's going to match well. Cut it at 2 1/4 and then one at 3/4 of an inch to fill in your 3-inch side of your card front. So you can just make it 3x6. But I like to have that one little strip down there, and it really makes a big difference in the design. And once I add those strips together and I scotch tape the back of them, I have my own combined designer paper. And then I love using those sticky strips from Love from Lizzie. Those are awesome. They really help to bring the front of it together and kind of blend the two cards together when you join them like that, so that it looks like it's intentional. So, which it is intentional, but you know what I mean. It helps them come together nicely and to look more finished. So without it, it would just be like, hi, I'm a piece of paper. Hi, I'm another piece of paper. And now we're friends. So putting that sticker strip in there, I don't know, makes it look better. So super easy. This is the inside of the card. So I decided I wanted to do the inside too. I have plenty of paper. Why not make the inside beautiful too? So I just scotch tape that together. And then again, you just butt them up next to each other. And just measure it to fit in your card. If you want the border, great. If you don't want the border, you definitely don't have to. And I wanted a little bit of a border, so I needed it to fit in there. And then again, those sticker strips, so cool. So cool. And you don't have to wrap it around the edge. You can cut it to size. I like to kind of wrap it around the edge. Again, it just looks a little bit more finished. It's really up close and personal, but you can cut some of it off like I did here and then wrap a smaller part. Because sometimes you just need a little strip and it does the trick. So save those. So, but it's really an affordable thing to have in your craft room. I really think that it's one of those staples. So, but now you can leave your card on the inside totally blank and do your own thing and write in it. That is great. But I like to put a stamp if I have one that matches. And I just so happen to have one in this awesome stamp set that they have in the kit this month. It's really a versatile one throughout the whole year. You can use this for any kind of birthday card or any kind of just fun card. There's balloons in there. There's clouds. Little confetti pieces. It's a lot of fun. I love this stamp set. So I just wound up stamping that on the inside. Clean off my stamp real quick. I'm a little off screen there. Sorry about that, guys. And then I just use my microfiber towels that are just destroyed, but I wash them all the time. But I just use those to clean off my stamp. No worry, no fuss. And then just stick that right down there. I love my ATG gum, but you can use whatever adhesive you'd like. And I eyeballed it, try and get it in the middle as close as I could. I think I hit the mark on that one. And then stick it on the inside. And I could still write my sentiment in there if I want, my handwritten sentiment. No big deal. And then I add those little foam sticky things. I think those are the perfect height for mailing. Those came in the kit as well, the previous month kit. Really liking those. But when I know I'm going to mail it, I do reinforce it with a little bit of glue. I highly recommend doing that. It's not that the sticky part isn't good enough, but sometimes they get roughed up pretty good in the mail, and it can only be so good, right? Good enough or so good. It ain't going to hurt to just reinforce it just a little bit with a little bit of glue. And then that happy birthday is from the stamp set. That was the die that came in it. So there's the whole group. I was surprised with the amount of masculine kind of type cards that I got out of this card kit. Those blue ones, I really like how those turned out. And it's always a challenge to make the masculine ones. But I hope that this inspired you. Please don't forget to comment, like, and share. And I will be doing more videos to come with some more inspiration. Thank you so much.